India's BRICS chairship will seek to bring together the potential of BRICS countries for greater global welfare. BRICS must commit to a reformed multilateralism that reflects contemporary realities. My ministerial colleagues, Shri Kirtivardhan Singh Ji, Pavitra Margarita Ji, secretaries of MEA, representatives from BRICS countries, excellencies, senior officials of Government of India ministries, representatives of think tanks and business chambers, colleagues, friends. I'm extremely pleased to welcome you all this morning to the formal unveiling of the logo, theme, and website for India's chairship of BRICS for 2026. As we have gathered today on the eve of Makar Sankranti, a festival known by the many names of also Lohri, Magh Bihu, Pongal, and that celebrates the sun's celestial journey northwards, known as Uttarayan, I extend my warmest greetings to each one of you on this auspicious occasion. Just as these festivals convey hope and goodwill, India's BRICS chairship will seek to bring together the potential of BRICS countries for greater global welfare. Friends, when India prepares to assume the BRICS chairship in 2026, we do so at an important moment in the grouping's journey. In 2026, BRICS will complete 20 years since its inception, during which it has steadily evolved into a significant platform for cooperation among emerging markets and developing economies. Over the years, BRICS has expanded its agenda and membership, responding to changing global realities while remaining focused on people-centric development, fostering dialogue, and promoting practical cooperation. The current global environment presents complex and interlinked challenges, geopolitical uncertainties, complicated economic landscapes, climate-related risks, technological changes, and persistent development gaps continue to affect countries across regions. In this context, BRICS remains an important forum that encourages dialogue and cooperation and practical responses, taking into account national priorities at different stages of development. India approaches its chairship with a humanity-first and a people-centric approach, inspired by the guidance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Our chairship theme, Building for Resilience, Innovation, Cooperation, and Sustainability, reflects our belief that cooperation among BRICS members can help address shared challenges in a balanced and in an inclusive manner. The theme underscores the importance of strengthening capacities, promoting innovation, and ensuring sustainable development for the benefit of all. The logo that we unveiled today reflects this approach. It combines elements of tradition and modernity, and the petals incorporate the colors of all BRICS member countries, representing unity in diversity and a strong sense of shared purpose. The logo conveys the idea that BRICS draws strength from the collective contributions of its members while respecting their distinct identities. The BRICS India website, which has also been launched this morning, will serve as a common platform during India's chairship. It will provide information on meetings, initiatives, and outcomes, and will facilitate greater transparency and engagement. It will also help timely dissemination of information throughout the year. Friends, the four broad priorities of India's chairship: resilience, innovation, cooperation, and sustainability. They will provide a coherent and balanced framework across the three foundational pillars of BRICS: political and security, economic and financial, and cultural and people-to-people exchanges. Under the resilience pillar, we will endeavor to build structural institutional strengths capable of weathering global shocks. India intends to work with BRICS partners to build resilience in agriculture, in health, in disaster risk reduction, energy and supply chains, including through cooperative frameworks that enhance collective preparedness and response. Innovation remains a central driver of global economic development. The deployment of new and emerging technologies is essential to addressing socio-economic challenges, particularly those confronting developing countries, while maintaining a people-centric approach. Enhanced cooperation in areas such as startups, MSMEs, and new and emerging technologies can contribute meaningfully to building a more equitable world. Excellencies, colleagues, India attaches equal importance to cooperation and sustainability and will work to advancing climate action, promoting clean energy, and supporting sustainable development pathways in a manner that is fair and sensitive to national circumstances. At a time when the world is also navigating multiple complex challenges, the call for a reinvigorated, inclusive, and effective multilateral order has never been more urgent. BRICS must commit to a reformed multilateralism that reflects contemporary realities, one where institutions like the United Nations, the WTO, IMF, and the World Bank are representative and inclusive. Founded by BRICS countries, the new Development Bank has emerged as an important instrument of economic cooperation, promoting infrastructure and sustainable development of its member countries. India remains committed to supporting activities and efforts to further strengthen the bank as a credible, responsible, and financially sustainable institution. People-to-people exchanges will always remain an essential component of BRICS and especially of our chairship, with continued emphasis on youth, culture, education, sports, tourism, and academic interactions. And they will all help us to build mutual understanding and further deepen our collaboration. These exchanges contribute to creating a stronger sense of community within BRICS and lay the foundation for long-term cooperation. India views BRICS as a constructive platform for dialogue and development, complementing the broader multilateral system, guided by the principles of mutual respect, sovereign equality, and consensus. India will seek to make its chairship inclusive, practical, people-centered, and outcome-oriented. So let me conclude by saying that I look forward to the cooperation and support of all BRICS members, partner countries, and other stakeholders as we work towards and together during India's chairship. I count on your support. Once again, I thank you all for joining us today.